Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with day 10 of our 24 days of Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. So let's see, day number 10, here we go, day 10, ooh, comes in this pretty package. She's got it embellished with number 10. And she has the handles tied, so let's just untie it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see, she's got some stuff in this tissue paper. Okay. Woo. So oh, she's got numerous stuff. Wow, let's check this out. Okay. Let me just lay it down here. So we have some page magnets for a planner. We have some die cuts. Look at this unicorn and the little mermaid. We have some wood veneer pieces from Heidi Swap. And they're, what theme are they? They say create, dream, imagine, happy. Ooh, I got some ready to go memory decks cards, which I need to make some memory decks, so thank you. Oh, look at how cute. I see a few of these. Look at these coffee like frappuccino. I can make tags out of them. And some stamped images, some die cuts. Oh, look at this coffee cup. Some more stamped images, more coffee themed dies. What is this? More coffee themed, like ephemera. Oh, look at this. Oh, how cute is this topper? So cute. And it looks like she has an assortment of coffee stuff in here. Look at this. This is a chipboard piece. Oh, look at this with the Starbucks on the front. This is a pretty rosette. I wonder if it came off of something because it's a little bit sticky, but maybe it was like this. Ouch. Maybe? I don't know. There's that. Some more coffee banner. I think this is a sticker, some stickers. Oh, cool. Cool. Oh, look, it's another coffee thing she did the topper with. Thank you. Oh, more bag toppers. Yeah. Oh, look at these page notes. Watermelon. Look at this cute mermaid paper clip. And then, some embellishments. I must have flowers, always and always. This popsicle tag. Some more embellishments. I don't think these go together. I think this is good like this. Look at how chunky this one is. Yes, I love it. I love it. Very, very chunky. And then some snowflakes. I can make some rosettes with these. And then these like acetate type banners that just say just for you. Ah, look at just a bunch of stuff that I can work with. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. Thank you. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Thank you for joining me on this video for day 11. Stay tuned for tomorrow for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.